These are questions from the Extra Practice Unit 1 review. So this is question number 18. The population of the world on August 1st, 2018 was more than 7,390,000,000. Write this number in scientific notation. So again, remember that scientific notation, we have to have a times 10 raised to some power. If the number is super large, it's going to be a positive exponent. If the number is small, it's going to be a negative exponent. And another stipulation is a has to be a value between 1 and 9. So to make a value between 1 and 9, I have to put the decimal between the 7 and the 3. Okay, times 10 to the. This is a large number to begin with, so I know I'm going to have a positive exponent. So now I just have to figure out how many, or what the exponent is, how many places I move over to get that decimal to be in between the 7 and the 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this becomes 7.39 times 10 to the 9th. Number 19. The probability of winning the 2018 Mega Millions lottery was about 0.00000000039. Write the number in scientific notation. So again, this is a small number, so I know I'm going to use a negative exponent. So I have to move the decimal to be a value between 1 and 9. So the decimal has to become in between the 3 and the 9. So this is going to be 3.9 times. Now I have to figure out how many places I move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm just going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 places. So this will become 3.9 times 10 to the negative 9th. Again, the negative exponent corresponds with the original number being small. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next one, number 20. Multiply the following and write your answer in scientific notation. Okay, so to do this problem, we're going to group things together. So I'm going to group these two numbers, 4.4 times 1.5, and then I'm going to group the base 10 exponents together. So 10 to the 8th times 10 to the negative 29th. Okay, so in your calculator, you're going to take 4.4 times 1.5, and when you do that, you get 6.6. Okay, and now I have to deal with this. Remember, when the bases are the same, I add the exponents. So this becomes 10 to the 8th minus 21. And I said 21, I meant to say 29. So 8 minus 29 equals negative 21. So write your answer in scientific notation. 6.6 times 10 to the negative 29th is my answer. Now you have to be careful with these, because if that value wasn't 6.6, let's say it was 66, then I would have to change that into scientific notation. So just be careful with these. All right, 21. Rewrite this base 10 numeral in expanded form. So expanded form means what we're going to do is we're going to find out what number is in each place. So I'm going to spread everybody out. I'm going to be 3 times 10 raised to the plus 4 times 10 raised to the plus 5 times 10 raised to the plus 2 times 10 raised to the plus 2 times 10 raised to the. Okay. So we start at the back. The 2 is in the ones position, so it's 10 to the 0. The second 2 is in the tens position, so it's 10 to the first. The 5 is in the hundreds position, so it's 10 squared. The 4 is in the thousands position, so it's 10 to the third. And the 3 is in the 10,000s position, so it's 10 to the fourth. So there you go. that is writing that base 10 number in expanded form. All right, number 22. Convert the following to base 2 numeral to a base 10 numeral and enter your answer in the box. Okay, so we're starting with their system and we're going to ours. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply. So what I'm going to do is break up everybody. Remember, we're in base 2. So I'm going to take this 1 times 2 raised to the plus 1 times 2 raised to the plus 0 times 2 raised to the plus 0 times 2 raised to the plus 0 times 2 raised to the. So then we got to plug these in. That 0 on the right hand side is in the 2 to the 0 place. The next 0 is in the 2 to the first. The next 0 moving to the left is in 2 to the second. The 1 is in 2 to the third. And the last one on the very left hand side is in 2 to the fourth. Okay, so we got that. Now we just have to multiply everybody out. So 1 times 2 to the fourth. 2 to the fourth is 16. So 1 times 16 is 16 plus 1 times 2 to the third. 2 to the third is 8. So 1 times 8 is 8 plus 0 times 2 to the fourth is 0 times 4, which is 0 plus 0 times 2 to the first is 2. So 0 times 2 is 0. And then 0 times 2 to the 0 power would be 0 times 1, which is still 0. So 16 plus 8 is 24, and that is my answer. Okay, all right, so that was questions. Let me go back and just check where I started here. I believe I started at 18. So this is question 18 running through question 22. Thanks for watching.